Welcome to our video on the manufacturing process of Portland Cement ASTM-C150-TYPE. In this video, we will explore the detailed steps involved in producing this essential construction material, from raw material extraction to the final product. The process begins with the extraction of raw materials, primarily limestone, clay, and sand. These materials are carefully selected and transported to the cement plant, where they undergo initial processing to prepare them for the next stages. Once the raw materials arrive at the plant, they are crushed and blended to achieve the desired chemical composition. This step is crucial for ensuring the quality and consistency of the cement produced, as it affects the final product's properties. The blended materials are then fed into a rotary kiln, where they are heated to high temperatures. This process, known as calcination, causes chemical reactions that transform the raw materials into clinker, the primary component of cement. After the clinker is formed, it is cooled and ground into a fine powder. During this grinding process, gypsum is added to regulate the setting time of the cement, ensuring it hardens at the appropriate rate for construction use. The ground cement is then stored in silos, ready for packaging and distribution. Quality control measures are implemented throughout the manufacturing process to ensure the cement meets ASTM-C150-TYPE standards, guaranteeing its performance in various applications. Portland Cement ASTM-C150-TYPE is widely used in construction due to its strength and durability. It is suitable for a range of applications, including building foundations, bridges, and highways, making it a versatile choice for engineers and builders. Thank you for watching our video on the manufacturing process of Portland Cement ASTM-C150-TYPE. We hope you found this overview informative and gained a better understanding of how this vital construction material is produced and utilized.